In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto trading on MetaTrader 5. If you're ready to automate your trading strategy and make the most out of your MT5 platform, then stick around as we guide you step by step through this process. First up, let's get started by opening MetaTrader 5 on your device. This is where all the magic will happen, so make sure your software is up and running smoothly. Once you've got MetaTrader 5 open, you're going to want to head over to the top menu bar. Click on Tools and then select Options from the drop-down menu. It's like opening the gateway to a world of possibilities for your trading activities. With the Options window now open in front of you, look for the tab labeled Expert Advisors. This is the section where we can adjust settings related to automated trading systems, often referred to as Expert Advisors or EAs in the trading world. These are essentially scripts that automatically execute trades based on predefined criteria. Truly a fascinating feature. Once you're in the Expert Advisors tab, you'll see a variety of settings. A key one to check is Allow Algorithmic Trading. By enabling this, you're giving the green light for your platform to engage in automated trading. But wait, there's another crucial setting. Allow DLL Imports. Checking this box is essential because it allows your trading scripts to integrate seamlessly with other programs that might be vital for running your trading strategies effectively. Now comes a handy tip to prevent interruptions during your automated trading. You might want to uncheck options like Disable Automated Trading when the account is changed, or Disable Automated Trading when the chart symbol or period is changed. These settings ensure that your automated strategies continue to function smoothly, without unnecessary stops, when there are changes in your account status or chart configurations. Once you're satisfied with your chosen settings, go ahead and click OK to save these configurations. You're almost there, but just one more thing. Locate the Auto Trading or Algo Trading button on the toolbar at the top of your MetaTrader 5 platform. It's usually resting quietly, waiting to be activated. All you need to do is click this button once. You'll know it's working when it turns green, indicating that the automated trading is now activated. And that's it. You've successfully enabled auto trading on MetaTrader 5. With these settings activated, your platform is now ready to take automatic actions based on your expert advisors, potentially saving you time and optimizing your trading efforts. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the scene, having automated trading at your disposal can be a game changer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!